Hi and welcome to today's video. I'm busy right now walking into a nature area and I've got my backpack and just gonna sit and sketch and draw some of the scenery. So yeah, enjoy this nature with me today and we'll see what we can see. So I've made it up into the forested area and it's always so beautiful once you get up in here. It's like this little cove of trees and it's just really pretty. So it's always so nice up here. I actually did some painting here, a watercolor painting back in like the fall. So I have some footage from that I'll share with you. It was just a really nice day sitting here and painting. And yeah. I think my favorite part so far is like how the watercolors like bled over there. Kind of makes it look like trees, which is really cool. And yeah, kind of enjoying how colorful it is. Basically, that is sort of abstracted version of the view behind me. It's been really fun sitting here painting and yeah, just soaking in some sunlight. And yeah, pretty excited about how that turned out. So I decided that I'm going to draw these butterflies that I see like flying around everywhere here. It's really pretty. These little white ones, some yellow ones, and then kind of combine it with some of these berries that I'm seeing on the trees there, and maybe just also drawing some of the leaves of the trees kind of in the background and some of the sky, and just sort of combining a couple of things that I'm seeing here together. It's really nice to be sitting and drawing outside, but the one thing, in the Czech Republic in the summer there are these like horseflies that they have here, and they're like a lot bigger than a normal fly, and they have like a little thing on their mouth so they can bite. And there's been a couple of them around here, so it's like I think I've gotten bit like 3 or 4 times already. And this happened to me like a few days ago as well, and like they swelled up so much. Okay, that's just a normal fly, but oh my gosh. So as nice as it is sitting outside and being in the fresh air and painting outside, you also have these little bugs everywhere. But the beauty of being outside and the fresh air and just being able to paint and draw outside kind of erases all of the little irritations of horseflies and flies. gosh. What is that? That was a fly. That wasn't a horsefly, but it was like a really, really, really huge fly. Speaking of like amazing moments, while I was filming that, there's like literally, okay, I'm sitting on this rock right here, and then there's like the sky over there. Literally this huge hawk flew like just right here, like, and I looked up for 1 second and it was like right there. It was so beautiful. And then before I could, get anything to take a picture of it, it was gone. But that was such a cool moment. And the sky is doing like all these interesting things too. Look at those clouds, like so wispy. Wow. So this is where I'm at so far, and I think just add a little bit of So that's the final picture, and then I'll probably add like a couple of bits of colour at home. But it's been really nice drawing and sketching outside today, so thanks so much for joining me on this little painting adventure. To head home. Thanks for joining me here. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Peace.